Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to review a newly launched product, that is NYBay Skinfident Erase Dual Tone Nail Lacquer Remover. Okay, in the variant, I guess in this you get two variants, but the variant which I got is Hibiscus Gain 1, and net volume and everything I'll be discussing in this video. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the video. Basically, this NYBay is exclusive launch on Purplle. You will not get this particular brand on anywhere else. Okay, and this is a newly launched product because when I was tried to find out the review for the same, I did not get any review. So I thought might as well buy this, try it by my own self, and then I'll put a review. Okay, so basically the thing is, I was planning to buy Color Bar, the nail lacquer remover, because even that is a affordable one. So I added that in my cart, and then I went to shop some other things, and when I came back to my cart, that product was already out of stock. And below that, you know, in Purpple's website they do suggest you some other product that works similar, or maybe that is of similar kind. So in that I got this as first suggestions, that is recommendation. So I added this to my cart. The net volume you get in this is 120 ml. Okay, and the MRP of this is 75 rupees. It's written over here 75 rupees, but definitely I got this for 60 rupees. I just checked my bill, it is for 60 rupees. Okay, it is manufactured in 2020 and you can use it before 22. That is, you can get 2 years to use this. Now the speciality, or maybe you can say USP of this product is you get dual tone. You can see dual tone, that is blue and pink. But when you shake it up, again it will be, for some time it will be like this, again it will take its own color. You all can see blue comes up and the pink one comes down. So when you keep it on your vanity, this looks very pretty. See, you can see it looks very pretty. Okay, and I have not tried anything basically from NYBay. I just have one lipstick from NYBay, nothing else. So I was like, let's try it with this particular nail lacquer remover, and we can go ahead. If I like, then I can buy more. So I just wanted to review it for you. You all can see right now my nails, I have, just for this video purpose, you all can see I have applied glitter on my nails, because sometimes you all can see glitter nail polish are very difficult to remove. Okay, you all know. So I just wanted to give it a fair shot. This is normal nail polish. This actually gets off easily. But if this removes this, if yes, then definitely we can go for it. So I can tell you the packaging, it comes in this kind of plastic bottle. I have not opened it, and it doesn't come with any kind of outer covering or nothing. At least I have not got. I'm not sure whether it comes or no, because I have not got anything. And directions of it is for external use only. It is given, directions of use is not written. So we don't know, I don't know whether we have to shake and use or whatever. But generally whatever makeup products I use, I always shake it up and then I use the product. Key ingredients are mentioned over here. The detailed ingredients list is not given. So if a person who wants to have all the detailed information about the ingredients, they have to go on the website and they have to check. Over here they have given you only the key ingredients. Okay, so what I'll do is, I have taken some cotton with me. We'll just check how it is. Okay, they have given a nose hole, so we can definitely pour it on our cotton. What I'll do is, I'll just take some cotton first. I'll just shake it up. We'll do it in front of camera itself so that it comes out. No, it doesn't come out. So what I have to do, I have to poke. I'll just check and I'll come back. Just hang on. You just have to poke a hole in this. You all can see I have just poked a hole with a scissor. We'll just take some. Just close this first, because we don't know if it gets evaporated or whatever fast, then there'll be problem. Keep it here. What we'll do is, we'll first keep it on a normal nail paint. Okay, keep it for at least 5-10 seconds. Just wait, we are waiting for 5-10 seconds, and then we'll just swipe it off. So we'll see if it is in one swipe, does it remove the nail polish or no. 10 seconds is already done. Yes, so I must say this works pretty well. Okay, this is the case with the normal nail polish. Okay, now we'll check with the other thing. I have not taken anything extra. With the same quantity, the same cotton pad, cotton ball, or maybe cotton round, or cotton whatever you call, I've just kept it on this glitter wala part. Let's see whether it removes the glitter one, because the normal nail polish, you all can see it's almost 99% it is removed. Of course, on the edges you have to apply and you have to work it on the edges. We'll just check. Yes, very good. I like this. It also removes the glitter one also. See, you all can see on the cotton okay, so you all can see this is the glitter one and this is the normal one. So I guess this works pretty well. So definitely, if you want to buy a affordable, that is 120 ml for 60 rupees, I don't think it is a bad deal. And in NYB also you get lots of offers, and also you all can definitely check out Purple's website or maybe Purple's app. I got basically from Purple's app. So definitely you all can take Purple's app on your phone, and then you all can definitely go ahead and you can buy this product. And they have very exciting offers and all going on every now and then. So definitely during the offer times you all can check. So I think this is all for this review video. You can see it is removing pretty well. Okay, while talking I just kept the cotton on the other hand also, other fingers also. Like with one this pad itself, I'm removing all this. I've not taken any other thing, any extra or maybe a different one. It is the same thing. So I think this works pretty well. So if you are looking out for some budget friendly nail lacquer remover, definitely go for it. It's a travel friendly packing also. So from my side it is definitely you all can go ahead and you all can buy. Okay, I think that is all for this video. If you have any other video request in your mind, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll read it and I'll try to fulfill your comment. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And that's it for this video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.